In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Safari cannot open sites in your iPhone or iPad. After watching this video, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. So let's get started. If you're having trouble opening certain websites in Safari, here's a quick fix. Ensure your Safari web browser is running the latest version. To check it, go to App Store and search Safari. Update your Safari app if there is an update. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. If your Safari app is updated, then go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on Safari. After that, scroll down and tap on Advanced. Then, Website Data. Now select Remove All Website Data and confirm by tapping Remove Now. This step clears cache data, which can sometimes cause websites to load improperly or not at all. It's always a good idea to regularly clear your browser data to keep your browsing experience smooth. Now adjust content restrictions. Go back to Settings. Tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Content Restrictions, then Web Content. Make sure Unrestricted Access is selected. Now the matter of fact is for certain types of websites, especially those that might be restricted in your region, using a VPN can help you access them. If problems persist, try using another browser like Chrome or Firefox to see if the issue is specific to Safari. I hope these tips help you get back to browsing without any issues. If you found this useful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.